Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to auto delete YouTube watch and search history in your Android and iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. Android, iPhone almost same, so because the YouTube apps you can just simply open in your iPhone device. YouTube apps, my one is Android, so I'm going to open my YouTube apps in my Android device. So simply open your YouTube apps and then you will see like this. Simply click this upper side your profile picture and then simply click here setting, and then you will see the new screen appear. Simply click here history and privacy and then click on manage all activity. So whenever click in manage all activities, it will appear like this here. If you want to YouTube history on or off, you can simply click here change setting and then you can simply turn off which one you want to. You can simply just simply click on pause. Also you can off include the YouTube video you watch. You can turn it off and check. So if you want to permanently same section, if you want to permanently choose delete automatically. So if you want to delete automatically, how you can do so? Same section, just click choose the delete automatically and then it will give you three options to set up. You can keep until I delete manually, or keep for 18 months, or keep for 3 months. So I'm going to choose keep for 3 months and then click on next and then click on confirm and then click on got it. So this is how you can easily set in your YouTube auto watch and search history delete. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.